Welcome back to Procurement Doodles. You've prepared your RFP. Now it's time to get it into the hands of consultants and then receive their proposals. Today, Chapter 7, Issuing of RFP and Closing Opening of Proposals. Guideline 7.1 says, the RFP is issued only to shortlisted consultants, no public distribution. This keeps the process focused and manageable. A reasonable fee may be charged for the documents, but not so high that it discourages participation. Consultants need time to prepare quality proposals. The proposal preparation period runs from the date the RFP is available to the submission deadline. Minimum periods: International QCBS, QBS, FBS, LCS, 42 days, more for complex. International CQS, SSS, 28 days. National QCBS, QBS, FBS, LCS, 28 days. National CQS, SSS, 21 days. Individual consultants, 7 days. The manual adds these details. Always follow them. For competitive methods, QCBS, QBS, FBS, and LCS, proposals must be submitted in 2 sealed envelopes, technical and financial, inside 1 outer envelope. Late proposals, rejected and returned unopened, no exceptions. For CQS and SSS, the rules may be slightly different, but sealed envelopes still apply. Opening happens in 2 stages. First, technical proposals are opened publicly right after the deadline. The committee announces the names of firms and confirms that financial envelopes are present and sealed. The financial envelopes are then stored securely, unopened, until the technical evaluation is complete. After technical evaluation is done, the financial proposals are opened publicly. For QCBS, the technical scores are announced before opening. The committee reads aloud each firm's price. Minutes are recorded and signed by all members. Consultants are given at least 5 days' notice, 10 for international, to attend. The opening is at the same time and place as the deadline. Only the original proposal is open. Copies remain sealed. Committee members sign the outer envelope of financial proposals before storage. Minutes of both openings become part of the evaluation report. These steps ensure transparency and prevent tampering. That's Chapter 7, Issuing, Closing, and Opening Proposals. Fair, transparent, and by the book. Next, we'll dive into Chapter 8, Evaluation of Proposals, where the real decisions happen. Stay tuned. Smart procurement builds a better Sri Lanka. See you next time. Hey, if you want to never miss a future upload, hit that red subscribe button, then click the bell icon right next to it. From the pop-up, choose all notifications. That way, every time we drop a new video, you'll get an instant alert. Let's grow together. Subscribe and turn on the bell now.